Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we have an unboxing here. So let's go ahead and check out. Wait, that's not opening. All right, there we go. Let's see what we've got here. This is from Vanity B. You guys, if you haven't noticed, I have had my nails off for a while, letting them breathe from the acrylic, and it just happens that these people, Vanity B, got in contact with me and asked me if they could send me some nails. They are instant manicures. So I thought these were adorable. I actually had gone out and bought some myself. Let me see if I have them. I do. I ended up getting some here, and I have worn them and said, okay, I could give those a try. And so look at that. So they are 24 reusable nails, and you choose your best fit, and there's 24 nails in there. I have really thin nail beds. Let's see, I think I'm gonna try these, but look at how cute this is. If you are a Hello Kitty lover, these are so perfect. They look just like Hello Kitty. These are for young, but like I said, I have such little nail beds that I could probably get away with them. And then here's the high quality reusable nails. And this is called Ballet Slipper. Very cute. This one is called Hold That Heat. And then this one is called Cake It Easy. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna actually open this one. So because I do have such little nail beds, I feel like these would be the size. Now I don't need nails on right this minute, but it comes with these little tabs, and then there's also glue. So depending on how you want them. What else is in here? And I can tell you this did not come with the other sets that I bought at like Walgreens. There's an alcohol pad. There's a little emery board, and then a cuticle pusher backer. So, and then what is this? That's just a piece of paper. So the way you open them is like this. I'm going to try and keep them in their spots as best as possible, but it is a little bit hot out, so I'm thinking there might be some. Yep, definitely. There we go. So when I say I have little nails, I have little nails. So look at that little tiny little guy, and look at it, fits perfectly on my nails. So I don't think that's the smallest one. I think this one here is the smallest one. And look at this. I have to use my take your pick tool. Let's see, this is the small, oh yeah, the smaller one is actually bigger. So this is the smallest, and that's the size I would use. So you just go through and you pick out the sizes that you would use, assuming these are going in here. All right, this looks like that's about right. So then I would find out where my thumb size is, and my thumb is a little bit bigger. We're going to try the bigger of them, and that would work. And I'm just going to come and try this one, and those are too big. So since they're too big, I know I can get rid of that one. Still too big. I think these are going to be the correct size for the thumbs. So then I get my thumbs. This will probably be a middle because it's too big for those. Yeah, see, I could totally use the child size, which is great because I love these. And then I just need to find, it's a little too big still. Perfect. And then let's see. It's too small for that. Too small for that. But let's try. Okay. So you get to choose. That will be my middle finger. Still a little too big. And so we got that one, this one. Where did we, was this too? Yeah, that was too small. That one's too big. That does go there. Oh, there we go. That could go there. Or there. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna move these around. And that will be my middle. Okay. There we go. There's definitely enough so that they're not all, because at first I had them all hearts. So we'll go ahead and put one on. We're going to use the alcohol pads. I always have alcohol near me, so I don't have a problem using this alcohol pad. And we'll put them on. Oh, there we go. So we're going to try these little sticker things. Back in the day, I'm talking many days ago, there was those Lee press-on nails, so I was a little bit worried about these, but we will see. So I'm going to put this on the edge there. And put it on. Huh. Well, that was easy. That was very easy. So we will go on the next one. Now what I did notice is I'm very bad at reading directions. So I'll try it on my nail first and see how that works. And there's a little tab here. You can pull that tab off. Oh, okay, it's not coming off that easy. Okay, so put it on your, oh, there we go. And then we'll take this. And there's my second nail. Look how cute these are. And they're, oh, I love this size. I can never get the proper size, which is just teeny tiny. And then you just keep on putting them on and you'll have a whole entire hand here. Those are so cute. I love it. Well, they're much better. I was telling you about those press-on nails, and I wore them to prom. And I'll tell you what, by the time prom was over, I had like no nails on. Nothing. So I would definitely, I think, let's see. We'll put the thumb on here. Yeah, that's definitely the way to go, is to put it on the nail first. Yeah, there's so much static going on here. And I wonder how hard they are to get off. So I'll have to let you know about that in the future. Let's see. This is so fast and so easy. I'll definitely put a link for you if you're interested. It's definitely quicker than going down and getting your nails on. Then they are reusable, so you can continue to use them. And it definitely comes with enough of these, so we've got at least 2 uses out of it, and then glue. So there we go. Look how cute that is. They're so cute, and these are so summery and so fun. And yeah, I don't really need to push down too much on them to make them stick. So we will see. The countdown starts now. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, these are called Vanity Bay if you are interested. It looks like they are pretty nice. So I probably now could apply a light drop of glue to your nail and the press-on nail, or remove the adhesive from the glue tab and stick on the press-on nail. Okay, so you can do either way. And then line up and hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. That I did not do. And then file to your desired length. So I definitely probably need to hold these on there a little bit longer than what I did. But other than that, I am in love. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.